Chapter 5, Brightness and Contrast. Once you drag the photograph inside the Photoshop, create a duplicate layer of it. Go to the adjustment layer, brightness and contrast. It will brighten the image or darken the image. Brightens the brightest, darkens the darkest. So increase the brightness to the required amount. Once you increase the brightness, the image looks flatter. Just to give the depth to the image, increase the contrast. Once you increase the contrast, the brighter will get brighter and the darker will get darker, and the colors will also pop out. It will have nice depth to the image. This is how you can use brightness and contrast in your image.